For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Opposite and pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Pilot, hit the boosters. Fire! Right, pilot. Leave the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. Don't talk to us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, guys, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe I need some Hondo pilots. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Behind the train. Right, engineer. Fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! It's coming down! Let's fire! Hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that is rough.
Well, you can share. They really